Wheel bearings are small but crucial parts inside your car's wheel hub, connecting the wheel to the axle. They're made of steel balls or rollers in a metal ring, letting your wheels spin smoothly with minimal friction. Without them, metal would grind on metal, causing heat, friction, and making driving nearly impossible. Every vehicle relies on wheel bearings for smooth, safe motion. Think of them as the difference between spinning a top on sand versus glass. Bearings provide that effortless glide. They also support your car's entire weight, handling hundreds of kilograms per wheel, whether you're driving straight or turning sharply. A failing bearing can't support this load, risking your car's stability and safety. In modern cars, wheel bearings often house sensors for ABS and traction control. If a bearing is damaged, these sensors can malfunction, triggering warning lights and disabling key safety features. So, healthy wheel bearings are vital for both movement and safety. They keep your ride smooth, your wheels secure, and your safety systems working. Neglecting them can lead to serious driving problems and risks. That's why wheel bearings are essential for every journey. A wheel bearing assembly is a marvel of precision engineering. Its main parts are the balls or rollers, the cage, the races, and the seals. The balls or rollers made of hardened steel allow for smooth, low-friction movement. The cage keeps these rolling elements evenly spaced, preventing jams and ensuring smooth rotation. Two rings, called races, provide the tracks for the balls or rollers. One fits the axle, the other the wheel hub. These races are polished to perfection for minimal friction and maximum durability. Seals, usually rubber, keep grease in and dirt or water out. This grease is vital for reducing heat and wear. Even a tiny contaminant can ruin the bearing's smooth surfaces, leading to early failure. The seals act as a barrier, protecting the bearing's delicate interior. All these parts work together to keep your wheels spinning effortlessly. That's the secret to a long-lasting, reliable wheel bearing. Every time you drive, your wheel bearings are hard at work. The wheel hub spins with the outer race, while the inner race stays fixed to the axle. Steel balls or rollers roll between the races, letting the wheels spin smoothly. This happens thousands of times on even a short trip, carrying your car's weight and handling both vertical and side forces. The grease inside the bearing forms a protective film, preventing metal-on-metal contact and overheating. If the grease leaks or gets contaminated, friction and heat quickly destroy the bearing. Imagine pushing a shopping cart. With good bearings, it glides. With bad ones, it grinds and resists. That's exactly what happens in your car when a bearing fails. Smooth motion is replaced by noise and drag. Healthy bearings mean effortless, quiet driving. Damaged bearings mean trouble. That's why their silent work is so important. Take care of them, and they'll take care of you. Wheel bearings are built to last, but they do wear out. The first sign is usually a humming or growling noise from the wheels, often getting louder with speed. If the noise changes when you turn, it's a classic sign. Louder on one side means that bearing is likely failing. As damage worsens, you might feel vibrations in the steering wheel or floor, or notice the car pulling to one side. A worn bearing allows the wheel to wobble, which is a serious safety risk. Ignore it too long, and the bearing can collapse, causing the wheel to shake violently or even detach. Uneven tire wear is another clue. Bad bearings make the wheel spin unevenly, wearing tires faster on one edge. These symptoms are your car's way of warning you. Don't ignore them. Early detection can prevent dangerous situations. If you notice these signs, get your bearings checked right away. Your safety depends on it. Most modern wheel bearings are sealed and maintenance-free, but your driving habits still matter. Avoid potholes, curbs, and rough roads. Impacts can damage bearings. Keep your tires balanced and wheels aligned to reduce stress on the bearings. For older vehicles with serviceable bearings, regular cleaning and greasing are essential. Follow your manufacturer's maintenance schedule if your car requires it. Water is the enemy. Avoid deep puddles and don't spray high-pressure water at your wheel hubs. If water gets in, it can wash away grease and cause rust, leading to quick failure. Simple care goes a long way. Protect your bearings, and they'll last for years. A little attention now saves big repairs later. If you hear a humming or growling noise, don't ignore it. Schedule a mechanic visit soon. Consistent noise, vibrations, or changes when turning mean the bearing is wearing out and needs professional attention. Mechanics can lift the car, spin the wheels, and pinpoint the problem. If you hear loud grinding or feel looseness in the steering, stop driving and have the car towed. This is a serious safety risk. Warning lights for ABS or traction control can also signal a bearing issue, since sensors are often built into the assembly. A mechanic can scan your car's computer to confirm the problem. Don't guess with safety, let a pro handle it. Early repairs are safer and less expensive. Trust the experts to keep your car safe. Your life and your wheels depend on it. Wheel bearings are the silent heroes of your car, working tirelessly every mile. They support your car's weight, enable smooth motion, and keep you safe. Recognizing early warning signs and driving carefully can extend their life. A failing bearing affects control, braking, and safety. Never ignore the signs. Professional repairs ensure your car stays reliable and secure. Appreciate these small but mighty parts every time you enjoy a smooth ride. Wheel bearings may be hidden, but they're vital to every journey. Take care of them, and they'll keep you rolling safely for years.